NZDUSD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about New Zealand dollar against US dollar. So before we start the analysis, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you will find some links. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. So if you're a newbie and you don't want to learn manual trading, then you can click on the first link, come to this page here, and check out all these proofs. You can make money on automation if you know the correct settings of the EA as well. So if you want to do automation in forex trading and make money while you do nothing, then check out the first link below the video. The second link say join my free Telegram channel. So in case you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you are connected to my Telegram channel. So join that and then check out best pro firms and forex brokers. Click on that link and come to this page. If you want to trade with some other people's money, that's called prop firm. If you think you have the talent and the skill to pass the challenge, go and check out the best prop firm in the world. When I say best, it is the best. That's it. If you have your own money, then you can add your own money into one of these brokers. You can go and get the broker account from these companies and then start your trading journey. Now coming back to NZDUSD, before that we have disclaimers. In case, my videos are for educational purposes only and I'm not responsible for any of your profits and losses. Even though if you make any profits from my videos, then you can share your profits with me. In the future, I'll share some links below my description where you can send me the money, okay? We'll see in the future. For now, everything is free, okay? Everything's free for now. And if you're a scalper, then use my video for long-term analysis and then decide if you want to do some short-term trading or not. I normally don't look into 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5-minute chart. So as a scalper, you can use my videos for long-term analysis. Starting with the top-down approach with weekly. So in weekly, what do we have? Weekly, we have broken the EML last week, and this weekly is surely going for the previous weekly high, okay? So we know that the trend in weekly has started going up, and in the coming weeks, we will surely make it until here, okay? So what we know is, we only need to look for buying opportunities in New Zealand against USD, and surely in weekly we will touch down this weekly previous highs. That's our take profit. Okay, if you want to wait for like 2-3 weeks, you can simply enter buy if you know your lot size. If you know your lot size, okay, and take your 300 pips and walk away. Now, what I mean by know your lot size means if you use high leverage, low lot size, you will survive. But if you use low leverage, high lot size, you will blow up your account. So know your lot size, then enter only, okay? If you're willing to wait for 2-3 weeks, you can get 300 pips easily from this NZDUSD, okay? Because in weekly, it's going to come for this high. Daily, what do we have? In daily, we have broken the previous highs. As you can see, no highs here near anytime soon. And also, we have a rejection. So today, Now, let's go to 4 hour. We will find something exciting in 4 hour. Okay, so in 4 hour, we already have previous high. So this high broke in the previous high and then we took the pullback. So we had the pullback and now we're trending up. If you are a short-term trader, you can enter buy now and exit right here and then walk away with some, how many pips? Right now we are at 600 and this is at 6018. Okay, yeah. If you want 15 pips profit, but there is a news coming as well, okay? So let's go back to the news. Dollar, my gut feeling for today is dollar is going to go up. That's my gut feeling. I could be wrong. I could be terribly wrong. I don't know. But news is gambling. We know that, okay? But looks like the news might go in favor of the dollar. So dollar might go up. So you have to wait for the news before you enter the trade, okay? News is coming like in 15 minutes. In next 10 minutes, 15 minutes, when you're watching this video, the news is coming, okay? So as of now, we have the previous high, then the pullback, then the rejection here as well. And then we're going up. This candle, this red candle was eaten by the blue candle. So we can go for buy and you can exit your position here if you're a short-term scalper, okay? Otherwise, let's come back to daily here. In daily, what do we have? We had the red candle yesterday. So now we're going to make another high and then we have to pull down. So again, in NZDUSD, you need to know your lot size. I keep telling lot size because you know what? One thing is for sure, we know that in weekly, NZD is going for this high. Okay, NZD is going for 6,300. We know that. Today, we are at 600, okay, which means there are 300 pips for taking. Either you can enter right now into NZDUSD as a buyer if you only know your lot size. because the in between dollar will push back, in between NZD will come down. Okay, if you know your lot size and if you're willing to wait for 2-3 weeks, you can enter right now and take a profit at 300 pips and you're good to go. Okay, only enter the trade if you know your lot size, if you can survive. Bro tip here is high leverage doesn't make you lose money. It's the high lot size which causes your account to blow up. I hope you get the point. Okay, in 4 hour looks like we are continuing the uptrend, but wait for the news. News might push this down. Okay, dollar news today might push this down and break and make a new low, and then you have to wait for the for the pullback. Okay, so I think today we just have to wait for the news and then decide accordingly. And whatever happens, we'll talk about it in the coming videos. So if you like what you see, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out these links, join Telegram, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care. Goodbye.